Hi everyone, struggling with a weak Xfinity signal? In this quick video, I'll show you how to boost your Xfinity cellular connection. Let's dive in. To improve weak call signals, try relocating to a better spot, keeping your battery charged, or installing a signal booster. Additionally, consider switching to a stronger network like 3G or using Wi Fi calling for more reliable connectivity. Method 1. Move to a better location. If you are experiencing a weak signal, try moving closer to a window, going upstairs, or finding higher ground. Physical barriers like walls and buildings can block signals, so relocating may improve reception. You can also check the Xfinity coverage by entering your zip code and click on check coverage button. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Method 2. Install a signal booster. If you are far from a cell tower or have many obstructions, consider installing a network booster. These devices can amplify signals either through an external antenna or by connecting to your router. Method 3. Charge your battery. A charged battery helps maintain a stable connection to cell towers. Poor signal drain your battery faster, so keeping your phone charged can enhance reception. Method 4. Switch to a stronger network. In some areas, the 3G signal may be stronger than LTE or 4G. You can force your phone to use the 3G network for voice calls by adjusting settings, which may provide a more reliable connection. On iOS, open settings, go to cellular or mobile data, go to cellular data options, voice and data, choose a desired network mode, example 5G, 4G, or 3G. On Android, open the Settings app, Network and Internet, go to Mobile Network, prefer network type, choose a desired network mode, example 5G, LTE or 3G. Method 5. Use Wi Fi calling. Enable Wi Fi calling on your device to make calls and send text over a Wi Fi network instead of relying solely on cellular service. This feature automatically switches between Wi Fi and cellular as needed for optimal connectivity. To enable Wi Fi calling on iOS, go to Settings, then Phone, then go to Wi Fi calling and toggle it on. For Android, navigate to Settings, go to Connections on Network and Internet, then go to Wi Fi calling and turn it on.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.